So the acai bowl, the ingredients for that and how we make it is we use the wild berry Formula 1. So we do 2 scoops of that, which is a serving. We do 2 scoops of the vanilla protein drink mix. And then we add strawberries and blueberries. So we pre-make a bunch of these because these are really popular. So we just put a 1/4 cup blueberries. It's about a 1/4 cup strawberry. Sometimes you can use sliced, or it's about 2 or 3 strawberries. And then you fill the rest of the cup up with ice, dump it in the blender, and then we use Zola acai puree. It's an organic puree, and we just do a 1/4 cup of this and a 1/4 cup water, and then blend. And so it's pretty, we like it a pretty thick consistency, so we can top it with bananas, granola, coconut, and then that's our standard, but you can also add like peanut butter and honey and goji berries, cacao nibs, hemp hearts, chia seeds, all whatever toppings you want. So basically that's it. The acai bowls are super popular, so I thought that would be a great one for you to try.